Hey guys, so today I actually am reviewing this product. It is the hair removal sponge. I just tried it out and it actually did work a little bit. You can see it's smooth right here. And then I tried a little bit further down, and I don't know if you can see it because I have blonde hair, but it still left quite a bit. So I want to kind of go over everything on this. So how this works is with the pink side is what you're supposed to get wet and rub in circles up and down your leg or wherever you're removing your hair. And then from what I could tell from the instructions is that you then scrape up the hair like this, and then you'll go up and down with the blue side, and the blue side kind of seems smooth. So my first overall thought was that it probably wasn't going to work because it kind of seems weird. So you can kind of see some of the hair that's come off me on there. I'll kind of zoom in. Okay, well, my camera's not focusing, but oh, there we go. So I did try it, but I was kind of skeptical of it, but I didn't spend a lot of money on it, so I was just like, I'll just try it. So overall, I would give it probably about 4 out of 5 stars, because it does actually pull off the hair, but it doesn't do it very good. Let me go ahead and just demonstrate a little bit of how to actually do it. I found it better than if you get your entire leg wet, because when I just would get the sponge wet, it just wouldn't stay wet very long. And I also did get the sponge wet as well. Plus, it's easier to kind of wash off the hairs as well with that. So I'm going to go ahead and do this leg now, just to kind of demonstrate. And then you're supposed to do it in a circular motion. And you're supposed to do it kind of hard and forceful. You can't do it super forceful just because it is a sponge and it's soft and flimsy. And then after that, you are supposed to scrape it up like this. And then rub it up and down with the blue one. And you're supposed to do this one as well, forceful. So overall, it's still, you can tell the difference between right there and right here. It is a lot more smoother, but there is still quite a bit of hair that you can see that got missed. So, it is a good product if it's for going to, if you're going on vacation, something like that, where you don't want to pack something with a blade and you just need a quick touch up. But I wouldn't recommend your legs. Maybe it'd be a lot better with an armpit where it's a lot smaller, or some of your other areas like your chins, facial, anything else, like if you want take the hair off your regular arms. But overall, I don't think I will use this for my legs. I will try again on another part of my body, maybe the armpits, and see. But the pink side, it kind of does smell like Nair a little bit. Not as strong. It's not too bad of an odor. The blue side doesn't really seem to have an odor on it at all. And then, so far, this is the first time I've used it. I tried it right before, like I said, right before I started the video, and then just kind of giving my review on it. So if I would buy this again, I probably wouldn't unless I was going on vacation or somewhere where I need to take it with me, like somewhere swimming or something where I might need a quick touch-up. But other than that, that's all I have to say about it.